Hi, this is Rocky. So in this video, I'm going to show you about our new coming 4K60 or 8K30 video processor. So here I have the setup. Basically, as right now you can see, we have a 2x video wall here, and which we have 4 input source. Input source 1 is as a full image, and then we have another 3 inputs showing up as the picture-in-picture. So here I have the setup. Basically, this is the processor itself, and this is the front panel. And we can see here we have the LCD screen, which is showing up the information of the input source. As you can see, we have the DP is showing 4K60 input and as a 4K video here. And we can also check out like different informations here. Got the menu, Mozart, output, window, input, output, preset, audio settings. Because audio, we can de-embed the audio from the outputs. Like right now, I already have it connected to a speaker, and we can just turn up the volume, and then we can hear the sound lightly. And then we also got the advanced settings, including the IP address and bar rate and system information, time task factory, and all those. And language settings, we got English, Chinese or traditional Chinese, and Korean. Okay, so this is the menu knob here, and then we got OK button and back, and then we have 5 inputs here, and then we have windows. We also can switch the testing pattern, testing images. Like right now, if we didn't have any inputs connect, then we can just use the button to test. You can check it out. Then you will choose OK. Then we can see we got like different shows up to test the connections from the outputs to the video wall. We can have different settings here. Can have it off. Then we have the functions button here, including the template selections. Right. We have 10 tablets, so we can set up. We can select. We can just back, and we can just switch the window. Right now we can just window 1. We can switch the input source. You also can switch the seamless switching. Let's see, 4K60 inputs, 1080p, 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 50 Hz, and then 4K60 inputs. Then except tablet, we also got the freeze. Freeze is like right now you have input 1, and it's actually showing as a video. But if you want to freeze this one, just simply press the button, then the image will be freezed. And then we press the button again, you will unfreeze. And this one is to black, is just to show black the contents on the video. So once we press black, and then we got nothing showing up on the video wall, press black again, then we can get it back. And size is for us to change the size for the windows. And then we have the save button, which is we can save the presets. Like right now we already have 3 presets saved. We can support 10 presets. And then we also can load the presets, also the same. We can just load the preset 1. Right, issue as a 4 different source on the 4 displays. Preset 2. Again to show up, nothing showing up. Preset 3. Issue as a picture-in-picture. And then we have the preset 4. Great, we just back to the for Windows. Okay, so this is the front panel, and I also got the power on and off switch here, and this is the rack ears. And then on the back side, we can check it out. On the back side, basically, we can see we have support the LED sending card slots, and also the power DC power supply, and then the outputs with the loop. And then the input side, we got 3 HDMI inputs, 2 DP input, and then we have the audio embedded. And then we can check out. Right now we have this one connected to the speaker. We can just turn up. Okay, so basically this for the audio embedded. Then we also got the IP and RStudio to control. Okay, so this is the video processor itself, and now we're going to show up and how we use the WebGUI to do the controlling. Okay, like right now you can see we already have the WebGUI logged in here, and it's pretty much very simple one. And we got the different 3 options here. We can choose Chinese, English, or Korean. So we can see here we have the window selection. Once we select that window, then we can just switch the different source to this window, like the window 2 if you want to show as the HTML1. Right, you can check it out. So this is the window 2. Okay, except this one we got the output resolution set up, and we can set up the output resolution up to 4K60, and then we also can just use we can just customize the resolution ourselves. And window size, we can set up each window size accordingly from here. And then we got the window templates, which is just pretty much the same as the template button on the front panel. Except that one, we also got the fast settings for the freeze and black, and also the brightness change and the presets. Save and load, we can see we have 4 presets active, and then we can save the presets. Okay, so this is the WebGUI for the controlling of this video processor. Thank you.